How to fix Spotify something went wrong. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys if you face a problem on Spotify that says something went wrong. If you're on Spotify here, you want to first go ahead and clear cache. So tap on the three dots or the profile icon at the top left. From there, you want to go over to settings and privacy. Now you can find your apps and devices here and your data saving and offline as well. Go ahead and tap on data saving and offline. Then from here you can find storage, and right below that you have clear cache option. Tap on clear and then tap on clear cache. You should be good to go. The next step is to long press on Spotify, tap on the I button, and from here you can go to storage down below. Then tap on clear cache, and if you want you can also clear your data. Go back and then from here go to permissions. Make sure all the permissions are allowed as well. And finally, force stop the app. Tap on force stop, tap on OK, and you're good to go. Now give your phone a quick restart and try to open Spotify again. It should start working normally. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.